Funding into brain tumour research is still underfunded, with life expectancy reduced by over 27 years on average, and the biggest cancer killer of children and adults under 40, there's no time to lose. Some of the brightest minds are working right now to combat brain tumours, but their breakthroughs can't see the light of day without the funding they need. It's bright minds versus brain tumours for a brighter future. I'm Hannah, and when I was 15 I was diagnosed with a grade 4 glioma. A lot of my later childhood was spent in a cancer ward, undergoing surgeries and going through rounds of radio and chemotherapy. I'm now a PhD student and I have a special interest in brain tumour research, so I spoke to a researcher in Boston.
Have you had any achievements so far?
So by doing experiments, we found out that first of all, the drug seems to get into the brain, which is a huge advancement. As you know, one of the main issues with treating brain tumors is the localization and the blood-brain barriers. We're getting a better understanding of how these tumors in actual human beings respond and how we can optimize the use of the drug to, enhance tumor killing while sparing the bone marrow and all the other normal cells.
As well as finding out how the Brain Tumour Charity, the largest funder of brain tumour research, is accelerating towards a cure.
We've committed £38 million under a cure, can't wait. The research that we'd funded and the researchers that we support contributed to the new classification of brain tumours.
What is the charity's new research strategy?
It's called Accelerating a Cure. We've looked at what we've done well, which is understanding the disease. We've looked at areas that we've been less successful in, such as our quality of life. And we're going to change that to build a network that really moves that quality of life for everyone forwards. And then the third part is really about taking those findings and making them into treatments.
Please help fund the brightest minds in brain tumour research by donating to thebiggive.org.uk. For 1 week only, your donation will be doubled. That's double the funding for research and double the brain power.